Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Tom.
And I'm Nix, and today we're going to show you how to create your own background for Instagram stories in the Instagram app.
What? Let's get to it.
Okay, so you go on to Instagram stories, you click on to create, and of course you can choose all the different templates that Instagram has given to you.
So many different colors, so many different styles, it's all so much fun.
So just choose any of them, and then obviously you can change it to a block color. So I'm just going to choose, I don't know, blue.
Blue.
And then we just hold on to it, and then the screen will go blue, and obviously you can choose any different color. Now here's the hack where you can do different colors. So you go to the text and you click classic, and you press the full stop button, and then you do a space. I just like to count to 10 in my head, and then another space, and then you click the text box on the left, and then you click it again so it becomes transparent.
More or less the highlight tool.
Yeah. And I'm going to choose purple, and then you just move it around to hide the white dots, and there you already have a second colour.
It's really cool. Do you know what? Like, it's something that's so simple. You would never really
simple.
think about doing that.
And of course, you can add another colour as well. It doesn't have to be just 2 colours. It can be 3 colours.
It could be probably more, but I guess it's one of those things where you wouldn't want to go over the top.
Yeah, otherwise you won't be able to see the colours already.
Exactly. But play around with it. Have some fun with it. It's really cool. It's such a simple way to just make that little story that much more creative.
Exactly. And then also, because it's on Classic, we're using the transparent tool, which is this one. So it's like transparent, but again, you can do like a block color if you want it to be like a block color instead. So it blocks out the whole thing. It's entirely up to you.
Obviously, Nix was saying he's using the Classic font. With this actually comes a really nice corner. As we're showing you on screen now, you can see that there's a nice curved edge. And then you can always take advantage of the corner borders, realistically, and use them to your creative advantage. But say if you actually want to use a different kind of corner and have a more, classic, robust 90-degree angle, you could use the strong text and then put in your full stops and then just press the highlight tool, and then you've got your 90-degree angle corner.
Yeah. And make sure that after when you are happy with the template that you created, that you save it on the top right, and that way you can reuse it.
Absolutely. Constantly save all of these because you never know when you're going to use them. Also, I want to talk about sharing posts. So when you upload an image, you obviously have the option to share your own image via your Instagram story. Now with Instagram, it automatically chooses a designated backdrop. But what you didn't know is that you can use our hack to change up that backdrop and make it a bit creative for yourself.
Exactly. And just remember as well that you have to create a new template for this. So you can't use a saved template. It has to be a new backdrop when you do a share.
Exactly.
Here are my saved templates. Here you go.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today.
We hope you enjoyed our quick how-to video on creating backgrounds for Instagram stories.
What? See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.